Hello and happy Vlogmas, and welcome back to Not Bad Parents. So, it's kind of a bummer because it's rainy and kind of crummy outside today, but at least it's in the 50s, so it's kind of like summer in the winter. Kind of cool. So, today, since we can't go outside and do anything, we are going to be building this Rice Krispie Treats train. I will bet money that we won't make it anything like this. It might come out a little bit worse, but I'm kind of excited to do it. And while we build it, I've got a quiz for the kids, some questions about Disney movies to see if they can guess which Disney movie we're talking about, to break up the monotony of just building a Rice Krispie Treats train. So, while the kids are upstairs playing, me and Mom are gonna get the Rice Krispie Treats made and ready for decorating. Let's see how we do. Oh, one more quick thing. I wanted to see if it works if I do the signature Mom opening for Not Bad Parents, so here we go. Hi, and welcome back to Not Bad Parents. Did it work? I don't think so. Alright, so in this kit we've got marshmallows, Rice Krispie Treats, 4 things of icing. We've also got the little guys that stand up, hard candies, and we've got the train mold. Yeah, I'm excited. This is gonna be great. Something I'm not really excited about, the directions are on the back of the box and there's no piece of paper, so I gotta carry the box around with me all day. Signature mad face. The first step is to wash the molds with warm soapy water and dry thoroughly. Kids, be sure to wash your hands. Cooking can be messy work. You might want to wear a smock or an apron. Thanks. Washing the molds. Mom! With the mold successfully washed, we need to do what this says. Step 1, melt the butter. Hey, you know what step 3 is?
What is it?
Or 2. Am I on step 2 or 3?
I just got here. What are you on?
I don't know. Hey, you know what the next step is?
What?
Add the marshmallows.
Ooh.
Hey, you guys want to go for a swim? Oh no, it was a trick. We're getting cooked. All right, assistant, what's the next step?
Add the Rice Krispie Treats.
All right, Amanda, how'd I do? Because I've never made Rice Krispie Treats before.
You did a really good job for a first timer.
Do they look treaty and ricey?
They look perfect.
Cool. That's the final product. It's really sticky and gooey.
Yes.
Let's try a bite. It's crunchy. I'll give it that. I don't like it. All right, dude, what's the next step?
So the next step is we gotta get the molds out and coat them with cooking spray.
Really?
Oh. I just hit myself. There are no molds in here.
I washed them already.
Oh, you're so good.
Mm-hmm.
So we gotta coat them with spray so it doesn't stick.
Uh-huh. This is the part where we get to call the kids down. Kids!
So now it's time to make the train. So the first thing we're gonna do is divide this into 3 sections. Now that it's set. Oh, it's very crunchy.
That sounds crunchy.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be behind the camera today.
And we're here.
And the kids are here to help us decorate. Because 1, I don't like my hands getting all sticky. And 2, if my hands are sticky, I can't ask you guys the questions that we came up with.
Oh.
All right, so before we start, or while Mom is doing this, are you guys ready for the first question?
Yes.
Okay, hold on, let me pull it up.
Disney trivia?
So here's what it is. Mom and I did this on our show that we recorded that's going up, and we wanted to do something similar for you guys.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give you 3 things from a Disney movie, and you have to tell me what the Disney movie is. You think you can do it? Okay, so here's the first couple of clues. Dwarves, evil queen, poison apple.
Snow White.
Oh, come on, it was that easy?
When I heard dwarves, it was like, oh my god, it's so easy.
Wait, Wait, the kids are not food.
Yeah, it's so it doesn't stick to their hands.
All right, guys, you ready for the next question?
Yeah.
All right, Miles, this one's for you. Snowman, rock trolls, reindeer.
What movie is that? Let me see.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Nope, it's a Disney movie. Snowman, rock trolls, and reindeer.
Wait.
Reindeers are better than people.
Frozen.
Frozen, that's right. Coconuts, chicken, and ocean.
Moana.
Whoa, good job, guys. All right, the molds are basically done, and you got 3 cars on
I
this?
just made another engine by
Oh,
accident.
2 engines. Well, whatever. But here they go. They look all right.
Not bad.
Curious to see how they look after they get decorated.
Yeah.
All right.
Fun.
All right, you guys ready to start decorating?
Yes.
Fun part.
All right, you gotta get this question right if you want to decorate. All right. Dinglehopper, Snarfblat, crab.
Little Mermaid. Little Mermaid.
Okay, you can start decorating. All right, you guys ready for the next question?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we got cowboy, astronaut, and spork.
Toy Story 4.
Yep, good job. Okay, you guys ready? We got deer, skunk, and bunny.
I know this one.
Deer, skunk, bunny, Miles.
Bambi. Bambi.
Bambi, good job.
Nice. I didn't even get that one.
All right, so I think you guys are almost done, and I got a couple left. You want to do another one right now?
Yeah.
All right. This is one from our quiz the other night. Let's see if you guys can get
Ooh,
it.
this is tough.
Spanish Andalusian, duck, and chameleon.
Duck.
Oh, this is one you should know.
Duck.
Chameleon. Duck.
Chameleon reminds me of Rapunzel. It's not Rapunzel.
How do you know?
But there's no duck in Rapunzel.
Is there no duck in Rapunzel? You sure?
Yes.
Positive?
Yes.
They don't go to a place with a duck?
Oh, it's Rapunzel.
It's Rapunzel. You know what the
Bingo.
Spanish Andalusian is?
What?
Maximus. It's the type of horse he is. All right, next question.
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, this one's gonna be hard. Palm tree, experiment 626, and scrump. Do you know what it is, Miles?
Dog?
Scrump, experiment 626, and palm
I
tree.
know it is.
Lilo and Stitch, that's right. Good job. All right, folks, are we ready?
Yeah.
All right, we have only 2 questions left. So how about teapot, rose, and broken mirror?
Beauty and the Beast.
What? Come on, these are way too easy. All right, I think you guys are getting ready to wrap up and we'll do the big reveal. But are you ready for the last question?
Yes. For the bonus?
Yes, before the bonus.
Okay.
All right, sugar dates, pistachios, loaf of bread.
Ooh.
I had different ones, but since it's so easy for you, try that one.
That's a good one.
Sugar dates, pistachios, and
Wreck-It
loaf of bread. Nope, not Wreck-It Ralph.
Did you run like the black is in it?
No.
The black is in it?
No.
Aladdin.
Aladdin!
Good job.
Wow, good job, Michelle.
Sugar dates and pistachios.
All right, are you guys ready for the bonus while you put it together?
Yep.
All right, the bonus is name 3 characters from Wreck-It Ralph.
What's your role?
Sugar Ralph. Just
Penelope?
And it's that jumping guy who does like
Mario?
no that building guy who every time he jumps he does like not Mario. Philip.
Fix
Fix it, Philip.
Fix it, Felix. Good job. All right, let's do the big reveal, guys. Whoa, you made it look exactly like the picture on the box. It looks so... Oh, wait. Fooled you. That's the picture on the box. All right, here's the big reveal for real.
ta-da!
Whoa!
That did not look like it.
It came out pretty good.
It looks awesome. You guys did so good.
Michelle
What's
already-
that? Hey, Pluto. You guys did so great.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. It was really fun, wasn't it?
It was really fun.
All right. And you guys did a great job on my quiz.
Yeah, you guys did better than I thought you would do. That was
It
awesome.
was great.
Easy.
All right. Well, that's going to do it today.
Thanks for joining us.
Don't forget to bring home the milk.
Happy Vlogmas.
Bye.